When creating a listing to sell on Walmart, there's a few things you want to be very thoughtful of so that your listing gets found by customers and sells in the long term. The first is going to be the site description. And the site description basically requires you to fill in somewhere around the paragraph explaining the product, the manufacturer, just super important details of the product. And what you're keeping in mind is that you want to bake in as many keywords of the product as possible into the section, because that plays into the search engine optimization when customers are actually looking for the product. So I recommend prompting ChatGPT to write you a site description for the product. You type in the exact name of the product and you should get a really good site description from there. You could also check out Gemini from Google. The next section is going to be the key features section. The key features section is basically requiring you to enter in a few bullet points of the product. Keep it concise. So maybe the size, if it's like a multi-pack, how many of the multi-pack are in this listing. Another thing you want to consider and be very thoughtful of is the pictures. So if you're making a listing of a branded product, try your best to not use edited images or lifestyle images that are out there on the internet. And these are images that were likely made by the manufacturer, by the brand. The reason is that they can issue you copyright strikes for those images, and it has happened to me. So don't let it happen to you. And you'll have to go in and change those images after getting a copyright strike, which is not fun. After that, you want to make sure that you're thinking about running some PPC, some ads, right? Because there's just so many listings on Walmart. There's a lot of competition on Walmart, just like any other marketplace, right? Walmart is one of the biggest marketplaces in the US, and there's so many different products for all of the products out there. So just wanted to share that. Those are some things that has helped me, and follow for more.